Welcome to the channel. I am your English teacher, Shelley. So glad you're here. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. It's going to be 12 expressions mentioned by Elon Musk. So get your pad and your pen ready to take some notes, and let's get started. First of all, let's just read our list of 12 expressions. So, number 1 is something big happened. Number 2, to feel frozen. I think we talked about this in a previous video. Number 3, to halt. Now remember, if you don't know some of these words, look them up. They should translate. Number 4, tension rising. And as we go on to number 5, I want to explain that during Elon's speech, I do write the expression down and the definition. Now, some of these expressions have more than one meaning, but we're just going to cover the meanings of these expressions in the context of the video. So let's continue. Number 5, a pressure valve. A pressure valve, and here's a picture of a pressure valve. Not sure what they do, but they regulate pressure. Number 6, out of nowhere. Number 7, to break the silence. You are not silent anymore. Number 8, to clash. 9, to pull out. 10, to break down. 11, never saw it coming. And 12, to reach a breaking point. Something big just happened. An important, significant event.
Something big just happened.
The country's been frozen. A shocking event.
For weeks, the country's been frozen.
Benefits halted. Pay benefits stopped.
Paychecks stopped, benefits halted.
Tension rising like a pressure valve is about to burst. Stress increasing, causing the people to panic or explode.
Tension rising like a pressure valve is about to burst.
Out of nowhere, the silence broke. Surprisingly, people did not remain silent.
But then, out of nowhere, the silence broke.
Protesters clashed with ICE agents. Protesters fought against
Protesters clashed with ICE agents.
trying to pull detainees from federal vans. Trying to pull out, take out, or remove.
Trying to pull detainees from federal vans.
Let's break down. Let's explain each point, each event, one at a time.
Let's break down exactly what just happened.
Never saw it coming. Did not see the event coming.
The protesters and their allies never saw it coming.
Things have reached a breaking point. Actions you can no longer tolerate.
You know, things have reached a breaking point.
Elon and I would like to say hi to Ray. Hi, Ray. Yeah, Ray, if you're watching, drop me a comment and hit that like button. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate all of your support. I've been getting so many more subscribers lately, so that tells me you're enjoying the content. If there's a subject you would like for me to write about in a video, please let me know in the comments. I'll be glad to help you with that. I'm Ma Shelley. I hope you have a great day. And let's see here. Oh, hopefully something big will happen for you soon. That's a good thing. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.